Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Air Zoo. In our collection, we have aircraft and spacecraft that could take you to the stars. But we only have one item in our collection that actually made a star. Let's check it out. Over my shoulder is a Radioplane OQ-2, and it's a target drone. In fact, it was the first mass-produced UAV in the United States with over 15,000 built. Now, these little drones were used for target practice by both the US Army and Navy during World War II. Powered by a two-cylinder, two-cycle piston engine, providing a whopping 6 horsepower and driving 2 contra-rotating propellers, these drones will be launched via catapult and controlled by an RC system. Now, ideally, these drones would be blown to pieces by the practice and anti-aircraft teams on the ground. And if they survived, well, the pilot could deploy a parachute for retrieval. So how did this little red remote control aircraft make a star? In June 1945, Army photographer David Conover was at the Radioplane plant in Los Angeles. He took a photograph of a young woman assembler named Norma Jean Docherty. The photograph he took led to a screen test for Norma Jean, who was soon known the world over as Marilyn Monroe. So there you have it, the aircraft that made a star. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, check out the rest of our Launchpad to Learning videos on our website at airzoo.org/L2L.